Welcome to English Chats Daily.
Your daily partner for easy English conversations.
Welcome to English Chats Daily. I am Eva. Today, we will practice hotel English with George. This lesson will help you speak at hotel reception. We will go slow. We will use simple words. Are you ready? Let us begin.
Hi everyone, I am George. Today, Eva and I will show you hotel conversations. We will practice check-in, we will practice check-out. We will practice room problems. Listen carefully. Repeat after us. This will help your English speaking.
Great, George. First, let us practice checking in to a hotel. I will be the hotel worker. George will be the guest. George, you just arrived at the hotel. What do you say first?
Hello, I have a reservation. My name is George Smith.
Perfect, George. Very clear. Now I will answer as the hotel worker. Good evening, Mr. Smith. Welcome to our hotel. May I see your passport, please?
Yes, here is my passport. I booked the room for 3 nights.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. I have your reservation here. You booked a single room with bathroom. Is this correct?
Yes, that is correct. What floor is my room on?
Your room is on the 4th floor. It is room number 405. Here is your room key. The elevator is over there.
Thank you very much. What time is breakfast?
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 in the morning. The restaurant is on the 1st floor. Do you have any other questions?
No, that is all. Thank you for your help.
You are welcome, Mr. Smith. Enjoy your stay. Excellent, George. That was a perfect check-in conversation. Now, let us talk about room problems. Sometimes things do not work in hotel rooms. George, imagine the air conditioning is not working. What do you say?
Excuse me, I have a problem with my room.
Yes, Mr. Smith? What is the problem?
The air conditioning is not working. My room is very hot.
I am sorry about that. We will send someone to fix it right away. What is your room number again?
My room number is 405.
Thank you. Someone will come to your room in 10 minutes. Is there anything else?
Yes, the television is not working either.
Oh dear. We will check the television too. Our technician will fix both problems. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Thank you for your help. How long will it take?
It should take about 30 minutes. We will call your room when everything is fixed.
That sounds good. Thank you very much.
Great job, George. Now let us practice more hotel problems. What if the shower has no hot water? George, you call reception. What do you say?
Hello, this is room 405. I have a problem.
Hello, Mr. Smith. What can I help you with?
There is no hot water in my shower. The water is very cold.
I apologize for this problem. Let me check with maintenance. Can you try the shower again in 15 minutes?
Okay, I will try again in 15 minutes. What if it still doesn't work?
Please call us again. We will send someone to your room immediately. We want to fix this quickly.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
You are most welcome. We want your stay to be comfortable. Very good. Now let us practice asking for extra things. George, you need extra towels. How do you ask?
Hello, reception? This is room 405.
Hello, Mr. Smith. How can I help you?
I need extra towels, please. I only have 1 towel in my room.
Of course. How many towels would you like?
2 more towels, please. Also, do you have extra pillows?
Yes, we can bring 2 towels and 1 pillow. Is that okay?
That is perfect. How long will it take?
Someone will bring them to your room in 5 minutes.
Thank you so much. You're very helpful.
Now let us practice checking out of the hotel. George, it's your last day. You are leaving. What do you say at reception?
Good morning. I would like to check out, please.
Good morning, Mr. Smith. I hope you enjoyed your stay. What is your room number?
Room 405. I had a very nice day. Thank you.
Wonderful. Let me prepare your bill. Did you use the minibar or make any phone calls?
No, I did not use the minibar. I did not make any phone calls.
Perfect. Here is your bill. The total is $240 for 3 nights.
That looks correct. Can I pay with credit card?
Yes, of course. Please insert your card here and enter your PIN number.
Okay, I am putting in my PIN number now.
Thank you. Your payment is complete. Here is your receipt. Did you leave anything in your room?
Let me think. No, I have everything. I checked the bathroom and closet.
Excellent. Thank you for staying with us. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you for excellent service. Everyone was very helpful. I will definitely come back.
That was perfect, George. You did great with checkout. Now let us review the important phrases. Repeat after me. I have a reservation.
I have a reservation.
What floor is my room on?
Here is my passport.
I have a problem with my room.
The air conditioning is not working.
There is no hot water.
I need extra towel.
I would like to check out.
Can I pay with credit card?
Excellent practice, everyone. Now let us do a quick review. When you arrive at a hotel, you say, I have a reservation, give your name, show your passport, ask about your room location, take your room key.
If you have problems, call reception. Say, excuse me, I have a problem. Explain the problem clearly. Be polite. Say thank you.
When you check out, say, I would like to check out. Give your room number, check your bill, pay with cash or credit card, take your receipt.
Remember to always be polite. Say please and thank you. Hotel workers want to help you. Speak slowly and clearly.
Now it is your turn to practice. Pause this video. Practice these conversations. Speak out loud. Practice with a friend or family member. The more you practice, the better you will speak.
Try recording yourself. Listen to your pronunciation. Compare it to our conversation. Practice every day for 10 minutes. Your English will improve quickly.
Thank you for watching English Chats Daily. I am Eva. Remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more English practice.
And I am George. Thank you for practicing with us today. See you next time. Keep practicing your English. Good luck with your hotel conversation.
Goodbye, everyone. Practice these conversations before your next hotel visit. You will feel confident and comfortable. See you in our next English lesson.